In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace an engine air filter on a Ford Transit Connect. This is located under the hood and in the air box. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening our hood and making our way to the driver's side of the engine bay and locating our air box. We're going to undo these two metal clips, securing it down. So put your finger and push out. And do the same for the other side. Once those are free, lift up this side of the airbox, slide out the other side, and now we have access to our air filter. Pull it up to remove it. Do this while you hold up the airbox. If your airbox is dirty, now's a good time to clean it out. Slide your new filter in. With the filter installed, reinstall your 3 mounting tabs. Tilt it back down. Push towards the other side of the vehicle and slide them in. Once they are fully inserted, push down on the whole air box and resecure your clips. And that completes our install. Go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.